Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel IT for You. Today we're here with a brand new topic. Many of you face issues with your development projects because they constantly require a paid API key. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to get a completely free Google Gemini API key using Google AI Studio. Creating an API key for your projects using Google AI Studio provides a free tier for Gemini API keys, making it a great alternative to paid services. Here's the complete step-by-step process to get yours set up. First, open your Chrome browser and search for asstudio.google.com. Click on the Get Started button, which will prompt you to log in with your Gmail account. Sign in using your preferred Gmail address. Once logged in, Google AI Studio will open up displaying the Terms of Service and Privacy Policy Agreement. Place a checkmark on I acknowledge the privacy policy linked above and click the Continue button to proceed. Now that you are on the dashboard, look at the bottom left corner of the screen where you will see a key icon. Click on it. On this page, you can view any previous API keys you have created before. To generate a brand new API key, locate the Create API Key button at the top right corner of the screen and click on it. In the Setup window, you can name your API key whatever you prefer. Next, under the Choose an Imported Project section, click on Create Project. Give your new project a title. For example, I am naming this one Gemini Project. As you can see, the new project is created and automatically loaded into the project selection field. Finally, click on Create Key. Your new API key is now generated and ready to be used directly in your projects. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and share it. If you have any questions or want to see more tutorials, drop a comment for us in the comment box below.